Hey guys, Chris Reed here from Outdoor SEO, and I'm a big fan of your website. I use it all the time when I'm traveling. In fact, I just spent 2.5 months traveling around the world and used it very regularly to find things to eat. And man, you were doing so much right, and you're getting a heap of traffic, but there is so much potential. And let me show you. So if we go to a tool that we have, so we can see this is you in the US. So in the last year, you've gone from about 320,000 visitors, and you've jumped up to about 580,000 visitors. So that is really impressive growth. So good job there. And we can see here, here's the keywords you rank for in the position. And so, there's obviously going to be a lot of them. In fact, there's 2,823 pages of results here. But if we go and order them by search volume, this will show you what you're missing out on. So look at keywords like this: places to eat near me, restaurants near me, food open near me. Like this keyword here, places to eat near me, 1,220 searches, and you're hovering on page 2, number 14. There's 1.2 million searches. You're getting 500,000. That one keyword could double the amount of traffic that you have. So that one keyword, and so you'd really, I would super optimize for that. There's a lot of potential you have for this. I mean, you'd rank really well for the veggie and vegan stuff, but getting in front of these other ones, like even this vegetarian restaurants, it says you're only number 15, 90,000 searches, and you're number 15. And I can see, like, I don't know why that page is ranking for that keyword. So this is a North America, Costa Rica page, which would say to me that you have some sort of keyword cannibalization, but let's not get into all that right now. So if we go over to Google and type in site:/happycow.net, it shows all the pages that you have indexed in Google from the most authoritative to least authoritative. First thing I would do, see your title tag here? Get your brand name to the other side. It's not important. If people searching for Happy Cow, they're going to find you anyway. You'll be number 1. It's much more important to say what do you do rather than who you are. So get that. Find vegan and vegetarian restaurants near me. Great. Put that to the side, to the left-hand side, and then your brand to the right-hand side. And then the same with dining guide to healthy. Yeah, like that's not bad, but I'd put more of the keywords to the left. Then as we roll down, it looks like you have some issues. Oh, actually not too bad. Your site structure does look actually okay, but there's certainly a lot that can be done with these title tags. Yeah, as we scroll further down, we can see that title tags like these are just replicated. They're not set up. So if you made those unique title tags, not just changing the Mauritius, South America, Vietnam, you'd rank a lot better for these. And so these are category pages, and so I'd say that they don't have enough content on each one of them. So there's a lot you can do for your site, and look at the traffic you're getting already and the amazing amounts of traffic that you can get. And I would love to help you get in front of that. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there. My name's Chris Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Outdoor SEO, and we specialize working with companies to get them in front of the very people that are actively searching for exactly what they do and take action. And I'd like you to take a little action now. Click the button below this video. It's going to pop up my calendar. Find a time that works for you, book in a call, and I'll show you exactly how we can help you get in front of millions of more people and make the world a healthier, happy, vegan, and vegetarian place. Thank you very much for your time. Hope to talk real soon. Bye-bye.